In this video, I'll show you how to sort data in LibreOffice Calc quickly and correctly so your spreadsheet stays organized and easy to read. Whether you're working with names, dates, sales figures, or any other table of data, sorting can help you find what you need much faster. And if you stick around, I'll also show you the one important setting that helps keep your headers in the right place. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Let's jump in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. Once it launches, open the existing spreadsheet that contains the data you want to sort. This could be a budget sheet, a contact list, a report, or any table of information. Before you sort anything, take a moment to make sure your data is laid out in clean rows and columns, because sorting works best when your table is structured properly. Now select the full data range you want to sort. This is very important. You want to highlight all of the rows and columns that belong together, including the header row at the top. If you only select one column, LibreOffice may sort that column by itself and scramble the rest of your data, so make sure the entire table is selected from top to bottom and side to side. Once your data is selected, go to the top menu and click Data. From the drop-down menu, click Sort. This will open the Sort Settings window, where you can choose exactly how you want the data arranged. In the Sort window, look for the option to choose the column you want to sort by. If you have a table with names, you might sort by the Name column. If you have numbers, you might sort by the Amount column. If you have dates, you can sort by the Date column. Pick the column that makes the most sense for your data. Next, choose whether you want the sorting order to be ascending or descending. Ascending means smallest to largest, or A to Z. Descending means largest to smallest, or Z to A. So if you're sorting text, ascending will put it in alphabetical order. If you're sorting numbers, ascending will place the lowest values first. If you're sorting dates, ascending will place the oldest dates first, while descending will show the newest dates first. Now this part is very important. Make sure the checkbox for range contains column labels is checked. This tells LibreOffice that your first row contains headers, not actual data. If you forget this step, your headings could get mixed into the sorted list, which can make the spreadsheet confusing or incorrect. So always double check this setting before continuing. After everything looks right, click OK. LibreOffice Calc will now sort your data based on the column and order you selected. In just a few seconds, your spreadsheet will be reorganized automatically, and your information will be much easier to scan and manage. If the result doesn't look the way you expected, you can usually undo it right away with Ctrl+Z and try again with a different sort column or order. That's one of the great things about Calc. It gives you a fast way to organize data without having to rebuild your sheet manually. And that's it. You now know how to sort data in LibreOffice Calc. It's a simple process, but once you know it, it can save you a lot of time when working with spreadsheets. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more LibreOffice tips, and leave a comment if you want to learn more spreadsheet tricks in future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.